Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video with your boy Chance. Today we are about to do some maintenance work on the Kia on our daily. Yeah guys, the car needs new brake pads, so I'm here at my boy Keegan's place today. We're gonna attack that, but for now still busy sorting his car out, the E36. We're changing the water bottle, so we're gonna sort that out first because I think brake pads must be a quick and easy thing to do. We're gonna end with that. So yeah, going over to Korean motor spares, motor parts, to get myself a set of brake pads, boys. So yeah, let me open them up, let me show you how tiny they are. So tiny, even Keegan made a joke of them in his video, which you guys will see soon, or you saw maybe already. But this are the brake pads, boys. They're so tiny, look at them, so small, boys. But yeah, gonna attack the brake pads just a bit later. So yeah, let me just put them there. But yeah, boys and girls, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, let's go see what the boys are doing now. This thing works. It's in.
Father.
The mechanics. Thank you, Keandre.
In the box. Don't say Keandre.
In the in the what?
In the box. See.
Yeah, I know. But at least now it's in.
That's what she said.
No more stressing now. Yeah, guys, we've been trying to sort this thing out. So I gave them advice to use Vaseline. So finally now my boys listened to me and they did that. So hold on, boys.
Show us how you said we must use a Vaseline.
We must lubricate inside the holes.
Open and take it use out for the ring.
This one. Is this the one?
Yeah, this is the one.
What number is it?
Do you have a number 5?
Where am I going to get a number 5?
Take it out the Kia.
Yeah, but I won't take out mine.
Why? Well, you don't love me that much.
Nah, I don't.
I'm gonna put your brake pads in the rear. Your fronts won't have brake pads. It will only be your rear.
Stop this one fighting there.
346 minutes later.
5 hours later, boys. Keandre, you can just drop that in here.
I'm gonna be bed left. Yes.
I mean, you guys are used to it. Last time, something here.
Few moments later.
Now the boys should open up their own workshop, guys. They have every tool on this planet. Keandre, Mr. Mechanic, finding a good spot to jack up. This one now showing us his socks. Hey, but yeah, we are now dealing with the Kia Picanto. To start with the brake pad change. What's wrong now?
You just almost pulled a bumper off. What's your problem?
How? What did I do? You've done this before, Keandre.
Yeah.
But you know what to do.
It's a small one. You do this one.
Direct. Cameraman here. And guys, don't think that I'm abusing my boys. I was gonna do it on my own.
Don't lie, you weren't gonna do it on your own.
I was gonna do it.
With what tools?
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But it's not too bad inside here, no?
Nah, it's not. Your face, Papa. Is it out? And we don't have grease, no? Because apparently you were supposed to grease it out. We use Vaseline again, eh?
Who said there was a leak? I'm gonna lubricate it.
Kia and Hyundai shares parts.
I wouldn't have known that. My friend.
Hey, my boy, your sarcasm, my boy. You suck ass, bruh.
What?
You suck ass.
I suck it.
Yes, bruh.
Don't expose yourself, bro.
Nah, bruh, I don't do that, bruh.
It is greasy, right?
Is it? Nah, not those ones.
Yeah.
These ones. Keandre, this small one was at the top, ne? Bottom.
Yeah, that long one is for the top.
Okay.
Because I'm at the top.
God damn.
What are you saying, bruh?
Nothing.
Are you? Hey.
Jen, see how small.
Are you taking it?
See how small is
Nah, my boy, boy.
Hell no.
Like, isn't it gonna come out just like this?
That'll come out.
I don't know where you're gonna try to put it there. This guy's smart, bruh. Look at him dodge.
That's it, I'm out of here.
This is a new one. I just want to do like a comparison.
A comparison.
Yes, sir. They're not really that bad.
Yeah, but the way it sounded, I just wanted to change it out. This one was that side, eh?
But they were bad though, boy.
but they were bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just wise to
Don't
change
look
them now.
Give me a
So,
flat there. The small one.
the small one. Is it just Phil?
It's just full, my boy.
Damn.
So I wouldn't suggest throwing these ones away.
Am I gonna use them again?
You won't, but don't throw it away.
Nah.
Don't throw it away.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw
So
it
sell
away.
them on Facebook.
I did.
Say 25% trade.
It's okay. You dumb boy. Boy, is that the right one?
Try the side. Nah, it should be the side. No, but this one have this PP here. This one goes there.
Like, which one was this one? Let me see.
It's got a PP, so it goes there a bit.
Yeah, that one goes that side.
And then this one goes here in front.
Mm.
This one, look where's the nail.
The what?
These quickies, because this one goes here.
Mm.
So this one's got two of these things here, and I see, look where's it touching.
Yeah.
That's why it's not going in properly. Because this is rubbing against this one nipple here.
Mm-mm.
And you see now on this one, the nipples are in the middle.
Mm-mm. So, do you think we need to shave out that?
I'm not saying that.
Hmm?
I'm not saying that.
That's what you say.
No, I'm just
Basically.
I'm just saying this one.
In comparison.
This one's nipples is by the chest.
Mm.
This one's nipples is in the forehead.
Mm.
It don't make sense.
Okay.
So I'm not saying shave this nipple, because then it's
I mean, those were working. Mm-mm.
just to throw this and make it clear, boys. We don't know what the hell we're doing.
So we're playing with my life essentially.
Know what I'm saying? We don't know whatever you see us, we don't know what to do.
But we're gonna figure it out at the
Figure
end.
it out, yeah. Okay, these boys busy in the street, busy grinding off. What are you doing now?
Don't ask me what I'm doing. You know what I'm doing.
They don't know what you're doing.
They don't know. They don't need to know.
They'll never know.
We're making clearance, boys. Ah, sis, dog. How can you fart in my face like that? Kian? Auntie?
What did you say now?
Told you now it's gonna go in.
It's gonna go in now.
You guys have been playing games.
Okay. Let's watch this.
It's like, look, when I'm away, no?
Listen properly.
When you make it align here at the top, this part at the bottom levels out. And when you try to level it or make it level at the bottom, the center doesn't go, like it doesn't really go flush there. So that's what is making it hard.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, I'm the one that's gonna edit this now. So that video you're shooting might not make it. If you wanna make me that guy.
3 days later.
Hey, what's up guys? A few days later, I actually have something new for the E30. Let me show you guys what it is. Remember when I told you guys that I lost my plates on the reveal video of our exhaust system? I got something new, boys. Watch this. Yeah guys, we got new Soshplatas, boys. FSZ 787. So yeah, I'm gonna tie them on, but I forgot to buy Velcro for the car. So I have to fit my rear plate with Velcro. So yeah, the Prestige plate doesn't have a place where I can bolt the plates on or slide them in. So yeah, I have to buy Velcro. So the rear plate is not gonna go on for now, but I'm gonna tie out the front plate, the new Soshplat. So yeah, boys, are you guys excited? Hi, how are you? Are you fine? What's this? It's a number plate. Say number plate. Say number plate. Wow! You saved it.
Number plate.
Yeah, a number plate.
Number plate.
Yeah.
Number plate.
Number plate. Yeah. So yeah, boys, it's time for these plates to go. Metal plates. I know I'm gonna get into trouble for taking these out, but hey man, this car just parks, you know? And it's a project car, like it's not a daily, so I don't think they're gonna bother me so much.
Cap.
Unless if I do run into roadblocks. So yeah, boys, it's time to change these. With the power of editing, we're gonna change it with the snap of our fingers. So 3, 2, 1. there we are, boys. Number plate changed. Well, every time they always say these fonts are not as clear or visible. Guys, I don't know about that, but they don't look so problematic to me. I mean, you do get your e-toll ticket with the same plate, so I don't understand why. But yeah, there we go, boys. Tell me what you guys think. Does it look a bit fire? But yeah, right now I'm gonna take the car out, take it for a spin, and then yeah. What did you say? The car's not loud?
No.
So it's soft.
Yeah.
What, should Uncle make the car louder?
No.
I shouldn't.
No.
Why? Hmm? Are you falling? You're so relaxed. You're so relaxed. Hmm? My handbrake is quite loose, eh? Now it's good. Ooh, are you posing for us? Peace.
Peace.
Love you, Punka.
Love you.
Guys, I cannot express how much I love this car, man. This car just makes me so flippin' happy. And this car sounds so flippin' good. Raza Automotive, boys and girls. That's Raza for you. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And now that I've changed my radiator, boys and girls, yo, I don't have to stress about temperatures and all that. And that's why I wanted to fix the car properly before getting to beat on it. So now I can properly beat on the car. But yeah, boys, this car is just oh, I love this car, boys. I am in love. Sheesh. I'll never sell this car, boys. Never, ever, ever.
Few moments later.
So yeah, boys, I just got my niece a few late birthday presents. Got a unicorn. I know she loves unicorns. And because we're car guys, I have to buy her a toy car. Got an old school Mustang. So we'll see if she likes it, but I think she will. So yeah. Work on the brakes of this car, boys. I want to convert my rear drums into discs. Missed this car, boys. Damn. Oh! I just scratched my undercarriage. Ah, that was painful, boys. I don't know if you guys heard that. boys. Oh. Ooh, nice Clio there. Clio Sport. Oh guys, the scrape of my undercarriage just dented my heart. Mara akusenani madoda, akusenani. So kuyafana, undercarriage, as long as it doesn't hit my sump. It's all cool. But like I was saying guys, oh, I am so in love with this car, boys. I've never felt something so deep for a car before. But it makes me so happy, boys. And the progress that it comes with it, and your guys' support just makes it more special. So I appreciate your guys' support. Yo guys, it doesn't go unrecognized. Your guys' support, man, your love just means a lot, boys. So right now I just wanna give my thanks to you guys for that. Your support is just over the top, boys and girls. I'm sorry guys, sorry for doing that boys thing. I know all the girls might be feeling some type of way, but I don't do it out of spitefulness or whatever. But yeah guys, I'm truly grateful for you guys, man. This journey that we're on for the E30 is just beyond what I could have expected, but I saw that it's the type of content that you guys like, so that's the content that I'm gonna give you guys. So yeah, I've been getting so many questions about the E36. Boys and girls, I have not neglected that car. I do start it once in a while. So yeah, the car is still there. I'm gonna give you guys an update that you guys have been asking for with regards to that car pretty soon, boys and girls, I promise. The E36 328i, guys, what I love about that car is the engine. The health of that engine is beyond. Go in, brother. The health of that car, guys, is no, the engine is healthy. It's just the aesthetics of the car, you know. So I need to get new parts. I need to start buying parts and hogging the parts for when you start with the build of the car, so that it's nice content and a nice series for you guys. So not that I'm neglecting it. I want it to be a super cool build that the E30 is giving you. So yeah, please be patient with me, boys and girls. Working something with my boy Keegan. He's been on my case about that car, so I'm gonna give you guys content about that car. But firstly, I just wanna make it look a bit decent. You know, we got it with those chrome wheels, those spinners that you guys always say I'm rolling with spinners. So I just wanna change those. I do have two wheels for it. Right now it just needs tires. So once I get tires for that car, and then yeah, we're gonna get the ball rolling with that car, boys. But if you guys want to sponsor me with tires, I mean, can't say no for all the cars even. So yeah, yes, boys and girls, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Huge shout out to you guys. But yeah, boys, thank you guys a lot for your support. But yeah, I think I've been saying that a lot now. Take care, guys. See you guys on the next video. Peace. How? Uncle has a gift for you. Your birthday gift. You're welcome, guys. So your unicorn matches your boots?
Yeah.
Nice. So you don't care about the car. You only love your unicorn. Yo, the honesty, né?
Thanks.